Who are you really? Is your online self the real you, or just a carefully curated version shaped by likes, filters, and followers? In today's hyper-connected world, identity is no longer something we just are. It's something we perform, present, and constantly edit. Sociologists call this the digital self, the version of ourselves we construct and display in digital spaces, especially on social media. And it's not just about aesthetics or attention. It's about how we understand ourselves in a world where visibility means value. Historically, identity was shaped by stable factors like family, community, religion, and class. But in the digital age, these anchors have shifted. Anthony Giddens explains in his theory of reflexive modernity that identity is now a project we actively construct, not something simply inherited. Online platforms intensify this. Every post, bio update, and story becomes part of our self-narrative. Erving Goffman's concept of dramaturgy is more relevant than ever. He suggested that social life is like a stage where we perform roles depending on our audience. Today, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat are literal stages. We show a filtered front stage self while keeping the messy, unfiltered backstage private, or hidden entirely. This curated performance affects how we see ourselves. The more we tailor our digital presence to fit social norms or trends, the more we risk alienation, a concept rooted in Marxist theory. When we post for validation or brand our lives for followers, we can become disconnected from our authentic experiences. Consider how young people craft identities based on aesthetics: clean girl, gym bro, or dark academia. These digital archetypes come with rules and expectations. They can offer belonging, but also pressure, creating anxiety when real life doesn't match the online image. Judith Butler's theory of performativity, originally used to explain gender, also applies. She argued that identity is formed through repeated actions. On social media, repetition, what we post, like, share, shapes who we are. Over time, the line between performing identity and being that identity blurs. This has real consequences. Research shows links between social media use and rising levels of depression, especially among teens. Constant comparison, cyberbullying, and the pressure to be always on have made the digital self both empowering and exhausting. Yet there's also possibility. For marginalized communities, digital spaces can offer visibility, connection, and voice. From hashtag Black Lives Matter to hashtag #MeToo, the digital self has fueled collective identity and activism, not just individual performance. The digital self isn't fake, it's real, but it's shaped by algorithms, platforms, and peer approval. Understanding it sociologically helps us ask better questions. Are we curating for truth or for applause? Are we in control of our identity, or are we being shaped by invisible systems?